Xin chào, hello everyone. This is Hello Vietnamese, perfect your Vietnamese pronunciation. I am Trang TV. In today's lesson, we will continue to learn the pronunciations of the next 4 letters in the Vietnamese alphabet. Actually, there are only 3 single vowels here because the letter I and the letter Y are pronounced similarly in Vietnamese when they stand alone. They create different diphthongs and triphthongs, but let's worry about it later. Now, let's listen to me carefully and if possible, let's repeat. E, E, I, E, E, I. As you may have already noticed, the letter E in Vietnamese is pronounced similarly to the letter E in the English word chant. Mẹ, e, mẹ. The letter E with a head is pronounced very similar to the letter A in the word say in English or AI in the word man. But there is a small twist here because A as in say or man in English is a diphthong. So that means the shape of your mouth will change during the process of pronouncing the A sound in English as in say. However, the letter E with a head in Vietnamese is only a single vowel, so just keep the shape of your mouth still during the process of pronouncing this letter. So let's listen again and repeat after me. E. As you can see, the shape of my mouth doesn't change at all. E, le. And finally, both of the letter I and the letter Y in Vietnamese are pronounced very similar to in the word she or she. It's very simple. Mỹ, Mỹ, that means America in Vietnamese. Before ending the lesson, let's practice a little bit by listen and repeat after me. Em, kem, kem, êm, ế, ế, nghĩ, nghĩ. And finally, let's try a triphthong. Yo, yo. That's all for today. Let's practice at home and I will see you in our next class.